Hello, hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? Oh, hope you're good. I am here with some auction stuff I bought. First one is from DarkWoodsSanctuary, a.k.a. Pig's Hollow, and friendship mail plus friendship mail. That's the best way I can put it. I don't want to cut the paper, so I'm going to go like that. Okay. Ooh, awesome sauce. Okay. I don't remember which pack was given to me from Darla. So Darla, thank you. I just don't remember it. I have to go watch the video. But Amy had, I love Amy's paper, especially her blue. I have a thing for her turquoise colored paper. And I have 4 paper pads, 4 paper by Stamperia. I want to turn it into albums. And this Amy's blue paper will look phenomenal in there. But, ooh. And then Darla gave me one, but I don't remember. I'd have to go back, but look at this paper. Oh, beautiful. So beautiful. Look at that. Love this color. I know, I think she told me blue's coming out in April and May again, so I will be on it like a hot potato. Look at that blue. It's going to look so good in my Stamperia pad. Okay. That's that one. This one. So thank you, Darla. I just don't remember which one came from Darla. Oh, all I know is I bought some. I'm going to say I think I bought this because I don't see me buying this because I like the plain. So this may have came from Darla, which is cool regard. Oh, man. Actually, I do like it. Now that I got it, now that it's open, I could use this in there too. Ooh, God, I like this with the writing on. It's not bad. I don't usually do the die writing, but this is, ooh, God, I like this. So you may see this in my book. I think I can make it work. So that's cool. See, I surprised myself. I didn't think I'd like with the writing, but it's cool. And then look at the diction. This is awesome. Now that, you know, I put my foot in my mouth there a little bit. So that's cool. I actually like it with writing. Kind of glad. I think, like I said, I think this is the one from Darla. So thank you, Darla. And I think just Amy sent me a little pink. I don't remember. She always still sends something a little bit. So we got the pink. Nice. Little, I like the pink. I'm not a pinky person, but I like the pink. It's little index cards, so that's pretty. I hope she makes index cards in blue. I'm going to have to ask her. Maybe I can order like index cards in the blue. Any shade of the blue she has coming up. As long as it ain't too dark. These are pretty, Amy. I sent her a whole bunch of cards. We made a, I sent her a whole bunch of card stock I had that were actually cards, and I can't wait to see when she dyes it to see how it looks. She has to send me a sample when she does it. So, them are cool. That's from I will have Amy Pig's Hollow, DarkWoodsSanctuary. I always screw up her name because she's got so many. Channel. I will have that, her channel, linked in the description box below. And then look at her little paper clip. Cute. And this is from Bima. These are new in her Etsy store. I'm going to try. Do I have to rip this open? I think so. I'm going to try to save these bags. Nice bags. So I will have Bima's channel as well as her Etsy store. in the description box below that these are new in her store. Oh my god. Oh, look at these. Are these stickers? No way. Are they a sticker? I can't tell. They got this plastic coating on the back, so I don't know if it's a sticker. Maybe it's an iron-on. I'll have to ask her. Now I'm going to have to go back and look. Okay, I'm just going to not mess around. But it's just a big stamp. Look at that. I'm going to have to get me more of these. Look at that one. These are awesome. Oh my god, look at that one. Can you guys see these? I'm sorry. Look at that one. And that one. That one. Love these. That one. Ooh, look at this one. I still don't know. I don't want to wreck it just in case, but no, I'm really curious. So curious. If it's just... I'm going to look it up real quick. Okay. Let's go to BMas's Etsy store. I can actually tell you the price of these too. Right there. I'm tired, guys. I've been up a long time, and I've done a lot today. Okay. Oop. Come on. Get up here. There she is. Let's see. Wow. I think she redid her store. There they are. Sticker. They are a sticker. It's vintage style floral ladies washi tape stickers. So it is a sticker. They are $2. That's not bad. Ladies are in floral. I just showed you. I'll be showing you the ladies. So it is a sticker. It's just going to take a little time, I guess, to get the sticker part out. So they are stickers. $2, and you get... Let me count them up here, guys. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in that pack of the floral. I love these. I might have to pick me some more of these up. Okay. And then let's check out the ladies. I see a lady already and I'm loving it. And I like the bag, so even if I can't get in the bag, but I like the bag. Okay. Here's the ladies. Look at her. Isn't she gorgeous? Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god. I'm definitely buying more of these. Look at that one with the mirror. These are gorgeous. Oh, look at the little cute little girl one. And then that one. And that one. And the kitty cat one. It's cute. Oh, look at the one with the horse. I like these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you get 10 for $2. That's not bad, guys. That's a good deal on those. They're awesome. I may have to go give me 2 more of them. I'll put that there. And then the next item, this is from Jennifer. She was on flea market sale with us. It was her first time. She did an awesome job. She doesn't have a YouTube channel, but her and Bima hooked up somehow, some way. I think Bima bought some stuff from her. So, I purchased, first thing, some ephemera. I saw a camera, and I just wanted it. And I don't even know what else is in here. So let's check it out together. So I got this cool looking camera. That's awesome. Little butterfly. Got this. It says Crazy Quilt Raffle Ticket. I love that. Ooh, look at the sewing machine. This is cool. Baby carriage. And then this little card with some doves in a hand. Little flower or symbol. Key. Love. Like a little hinge looking. Like this little frame. Little, just a design. Lovely. Look at the mailbox. I like this. And then a little tag with that symbol and a flower. A bee. Bicycle. Oh, my foot fell asleep. It says, why I love you with all my heart. A rose. Another butterfly. Pick this one up. Running out of room, guys. Oh, even got a clothespin in there. Gotta drop this coupon in a box. Hold this stub. Never forgotten. Roses. Employee. It's got numbers going around it. That's cool. It's a face with his mouth that's wide open. It's got a look at that. That's interesting. That's cool though. A horseshoe. A stamp. Pair of scissors. And number 3. A little tag. And it says peace and love on there. Another little design one. Another little design one. Butterfly. There's a lot in this. A key. A little design in this center comes out. So you actually got 2 for the price of 1. Radiant. Just push that out. Got 2. That's cool. And it's a bird. A flower. Another flower. It says a weed is but an unloved flower. That's cute. A little flower design. I'm not done yet, guys. A little stamp. Chicago, Illinois. This looks like it'll be on the bottom of or in front of a box where you can put a label. Old-fashioned roller skate. By air. Oh my god, look at this one. Love this crown. It's cool. An agate choke or whatever they call that. A little dot that says 18. Oh, it's a spool of cotton. It's supposed to be. Now, this is cool. I like this. I'm glad I picked this up. Now I'm kicking myself in the butt that I didn't buy all of them yet. Look at the clock. A label. Some like feathers or foliage. A tag. Another little stamp. G. Like typewriter G. A card that says double 3s. Another little stamp. A little like design flower. Like a type. I call these typewriters. You know, don't they look like the top of the old-fashioned typewriter key? A B. A water fountain thing. A little envelope. I don't think anything's in it. Nope. A little envelope. This is HH, but look at the back side. I like the back side better than I like the front. So that was in that little ephemera bag I bought. Man, that was nice. I should have grabbed all of them she had. Damn! She had buttons. And I tell you, I like buttons. And look at these buttons. Look at the colors in there. Green, red, some brown tones. That's what I was hoping for. Little ones. See, that's what I saw when she held the bag up. I saw these little tiny ones. And that's what really caught my attention was the tiny ones. That was cool. That was cool. And I'm like, look at them buttons. Little flower went in there. But look at them tiny ones. That's what I want them. Tiny, tiny buttons. So cool. So thank you, Jennifer. Let me know. I'm going to let her know if she has any more of this. Let me know. That was cool. So I will have DarkWoodsSanctuary, a.k.a. Hake Hollow channel linked in the description box. BMas channel, as well as BMas Etsy store. So go over and check these out. These are awesome. So as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.